Yeah, waking up the next morning, it was kind of like magic. It was like working elves had been there all night. I had a very busy work day. Personally, I wasn't here. I was at the office and I was prepping for a presentation and I had many things going wrong, so it was kind of a hectic day. And then I looked at my phone. We have a group chat for our condo unit, and somebody had taken this photo or a video of the main break flooding the street. And it felt like one of those beginning of the YouTube disaster videos for a moment. But luckily you could see that there were already Portland Water Bureau people here. It was a bit of a shock in that moment. And I came home to find the street was no longer flooded. They'd taken care of that, which was nice. But our water was off and we were looking at some emergency situation. So it was nice once I got home and the people were here. They were very open to us asking them questions about how the process was going, and we were able to find out that, you know, it was going to be an all-night thing, but we should have water by morning. I could hear them when I woke up at about 5 that it had been quiet, so I was like, okay, they did it. They completed it. I was very impressed, you know, about 12 hours of just constant going, and they didn't stop until it was done. It was really nice to see the responsiveness level of the city. I felt like we had that slogan, the city that works. I felt like I was seeing that in action. But I would definitely say overall that this experience gave me a much deeper appreciation for just the people that we have running the city. I mean, I know it's probably their job, they do it all the time, but we so appreciate the fact that it didn't matter that it was nighttime and technically, you know, not your working hours. It was a game changer. The hallelujah in our group text was high in the morning. Like, thank goodness for the water.